Welcome. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to find all the admins in any community on the Telegram app for PC after the latest update. This process is quick, clear, and helps you know exactly who manages the community you're part of. First, open the Telegram app on your computer. Make sure you're logged into your account and that your app is updated to the latest version, so you have access to the new community interface and features. Once Telegram is open, look for the community or group you want to check. You can find it on the left sidebar where your chats are listed. Click on the community's name or icon to open the conversation window. Next, move your attention to the top of the chat window. You'll see the name of the community displayed clearly. Click on that name. This opens the community information page. This is where Telegram stores all details about the group, including its description, member list, media, and more. On the community info page, scroll or look for the section labeled Administrators. With the new update, Telegram has reorganized this section to make it easier to find. Click on Administrators, and you'll immediately see a full list of all admins connected to that community. Every admin will have a name, profile photo, and often a short username if they've set one. You'll also notice icons or titles next to their names showing their roles or permissions, for example, whether they can manage messages, add new members, or change settings. Take a moment to scroll through the list so you know exactly who runs the community. If it's a large one, you might see several admins or even owners with unique privileges. And that's it. You've now learned how to find all admins in any Telegram community directly from your PC. It's a simple feature, but it's extremely useful for understanding who moderates and maintains your space. If this helped you, consider sharing it with others who might need a quick guide, and stay tuned for more simple tutorials that make using Telegram easier and faster.